Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure that you have the following tools ready: a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a small flathead screwdriver. These are essential for safely opening your Surface Book keyboard. Start by turning your Surface Book off completely. Disconnect any peripherals and lay it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the keyboard. There are typically 6 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the keyboard casing. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as this could damage the internal components. Slide the spudger around the edges to release any clips holding the casing together. With the casing open, carefully disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of finesse, so take your time. If you find yourself unsure or lacking the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, remove the old battery, noting the orientation and placement. If you have ordered a replacement battery, ensure that it matches the specifications of the original. Place the new battery in the same position as the old one, reconnecting it to the motherboard securely. Before you close the casing, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe down the interior components. This will help ensure optimal performance and longevity of your device. With the new battery in place and the interior cleaned, it's time to reassemble the keyboard. Align the casing carefully and press it down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier using the Torx T5 screwdriver. Be sure not to over-tighten them, a snug fit is sufficient. If you are feeling uncertain about the process or prefer to have a professional service, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to travel or make any calls. Just a simple request, and our team will handle the rest. After securing the screws, power on your Surface Book and test the new battery to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind regarding the cost. In summary, replacing the battery in your Surface Book keyboard can be straightforward with the right tools and care. Take your time, follow these steps, and your device will be back to full functionality. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.